On this lesson, we're going to talk about how to find a platform of your choice, i.e. a brokerage, which is where you're going to put your money and place your trades, your buy and sells, or a charting platform because you're going to make decisions from a chart when to buy and sell using trading strategies that we use here at Trading College. So if you go online and you just search for trading brokers, you're going to get loads of brokers, pages and pages and pages of brokerages. My advice really when it comes to that is you just need to make sure that if you're based in the UK, you need to make sure that the broker is what we call regulated, okay, by the FCA, because you shouldn't be receiving phone calls from any broker outside of the UK that isn't regulated. And if you at any time, just like any scam out there, if you get a broker calling you, all they want really, their number one goal is to get you to put money in their brokerage and trade through them. Okay, so you're going to transfer your money into their brokerage and trade through them. That's their number one goal. Just like anything, there will be scams. So all you've got to do is just stay with the big brokers. And the big brokers will likely have the charting platform built into them. So you don't need to have a separate chart platform with a separate buy and sell brokerage. All right. TradingView is a good one. If you type in TradingView or go to our website and look at our trusted brokers, go to TradingView. They provide lots of different brokers that you can link up to. And you've got the charts, which are great because then you've got all our software in there. And then you're linked to that broker with TradingView. There might be a small fee with TradingView, but the TradingView is then linked to your broker. It might seem daunting at the start, but once you get into TradingView and start playing around, if I click in there now, that's a lot of information right in front of that. Even confuses me as I go in here. Let's go back again and click on super charts. And you can see now we've got the charts inside here. And if you go down here, you can actually learn to explore the brokers in this area. It is daunting for anyone that's new to trading. That's why we're here to help you. But TradingView is pretty good, and you can click on, the markets here on the right, and the price will change. And down here, you can link up your broker. Pro Realtime. Now, Pro Realtime here is a charting platform. We use them. They're fantastic. I think they're out in France, and they link up to another broker that we use, which is IG Index. Here's a broker right here that we use, and they've been around years. They're the first spread betting broker ever in the world. I think 1972 they started, and they allow us to make profits tax-free. Here's Trade Nation over here, and you can just scroll down. If you scroll down, just check out the website and just see, where they are based. Well, they're regulated in the UK with the FCA, so that's fine. I'm pretty okay then. If it just had Bahamas SCB, I'm not protected if that broker goes bust. I've had 2 brokers go broke on me, and I got the money back from the FCA. Okay, so because they were regulated. Businesses do go bust, and brokers will go bust. But if you stick to the big brokers, like the spread betting brokers of IG Index, CMCs, Trade Nations, and we'll gladly check out a broker for you. Now, with the broker, you should get some decent charts, all right? And there's the other way around, of course. You can open a charting platform like TradingView and then link the broker. Or you can open a brokerage account, and inside they'll have their own chart platform. We're here to help, guys. We highly recommend Trade Nation. We recommend IG Index because they're big and the first. We recommend TradingView, Pro Realtime, okay? And there's lots of other brokers out there as well. We'll gladly help you with your choice.